Welcome everyone. The topic of this video is monohybrid cross of chapter Classical Genetics. Monohybrid cross is a cross done in between two parents for the inheritance of a single character, for example, plant height. So this involves the inheritance of two alleles of a single gene. So when the F1 generation was selfed, Mendel noticed that 787 of 1064 F2 plants were tall, while 277 of the 1064 plants were dwarf. Otherwise, they are also called as short. The dwarf trait disappeared in the F1 generation, but to reappear in the F2 generation. The next aspect is a reciprocal cross. So reciprocal cross is done between two different type of pea plants. In one experiment, the tall pea plants were pollinated with the pollens from a true breeding dwarf plants. The result was all tall plants. The second case, the parental types were reversed. The pollen from the tall plant was used to pollinate a dwarf pea plant. Even then, all the plants were tall. Reciprocal cross is a type of cross where mating is done in both the ways, like tall females were mated with dwarf males and tall males were mated with dwarf females. So whereas the results of the reciprocal crosses are the same. So it was concluded that the trait or character is not sex dependent. So the results of Mendel's monohybrid crosses were not sex dependent. Monohybrid cross is a type of cross done in between two different type of parents that differ in height by tall and dwarf or short. So let us consider here the male as tall and the female as dwarf or short. So the genotype for tallness is capital T and capital T, and the genotype for shortness is small t and small t. So thus the males produces the gametes of capital T and capital T, and the females produces gametes of small t and small t. So thus in F1 generation, the first gamete of the male may fertilize with the first gamete of the female to produce capital T and small t. The second gamete of the male may fertilize with the first gamete of the female to produce capital T and small t. The first gamete of the male may fertilize with the second gamete of the female to produce capital T and small t. Finally, the second gamete of the male may fertilize with the second gamete of the female to produce capital T and small t. So thus morphologically, when we see the F1 generation, all young ones happen to be tall, whereas genotypically if we see, they have both the dominant gene and the recessive gene, but the dominant gene suppresses the expression of the recessive gene character, so that all happen to be tall in F1 generation. So after succeeding F1 generation, Mendel carried out the F2 generation by selfing among these, so that one will act as the male and the other one will act as the female. So thus male produces two type of gametes, capital T and small t. Also the female produces the two type of gametes, capital T and small t. So thus the first gamete of the female may fertilize with the first gamete of the male to produce capital T and capital T. The first gamete of the female may fertilize with the second gamete of the male to produce capital T and small t. So the first gamete of the male may fertilize with the second gamete of the female to produce capital T and small t. Finally, the second gamete of the male may fertilize with the second gamete of the female to produce small t and small t. So thus the phenotypical ratio in F2 generation happened to be 3:1, where 3 happen to be tall and 1 is happen to be short. So genotypically if we see, it is capital T 1, capital T small t 2 and small t 1. So that the genotypical ratio is happen to be 1:2:1. Phenotypical ratio is happen to be 3:1 for monohybrid cross. So capital T stands for homozygous tall, where both happen to be of same type. Capital T and small t happen to be heterozygous tall, where both the genes happen to be different, and small t is nothing but the homozygous short. So thus Mendel succeeded the monohybrid cross by doing this type of experiment. So with that, the monohybrid cross is getting over. Regarding the next topic, we'll see in the next video. Thank you.